Now I bought this monkey bike about a year ago. It's fantastic on the road, really good on petrol and everything. But what's it like on a track? You see, now it's like I said, I bought this bike about a year ago. It was ideal for the back of my small camper van because it comes in at a grand weight of 97 kilo. It also does 180 miles to the gallon, making it ideal for long distance travelling. After all, Land's End to John O'Groats on about 40 quid. On a full tank, it's reported that it can actually do 220 miles, although I really don't know about that. It's got ABS front brakes. It's light enough to be able to pick it up yourself and stick it on the back of the van. And at the end of the day, that's all that's important. You've got to be able to lift it and put it up on your own. So it sounded pretty ideal. It's road legal. The only downfall of this bike is you can't take anybody on the back of it, which is a shame. So now I'm getting a bigger van. I'll probably look at getting a bigger bike. But I miss this bike when it's gone. Its service history is up to date, everything runs on it okay, and it's a great little get about. Put a rucksack on your back, off you go down to the shops. It's just about everything you could want for van life, providing you don't want to carry a passenger. It's got ABS front brakes, it's smart, it's light, it's good on fuel, cheap to insure, £20 road tax. I mean, what else could you want? And let me tell you about its off-road capabilities. On this trip, I did around 14 miles on this track. It handled it great. So, be ashamed to get rid of it, but I've always wanted that bigger bike. And as I said, now I'm getting rid of the van. I might as well get it. So I hope you've enjoyed this video of my little bike. It's only a 125, but you know, it runs really well. As I said, its only downfall is you can't put a passenger on the back of it, which is a shame. But you know, sometimes you just can't have everything. As for news on the van, well, I'll let you know that next week. Things are really moving on, and it will be a big build. So make sure you subscribe, like, share. Take care, and I'll see you on the next one.